To get to the account, you can roll over your avatar and hit the My Account link. Once here, you have 4 sections. You have your profile, where you can update your name, as well as reset your password. You have your subscription tab, which tells you all about your current subscription, the period in which it began, and when it will renew or end, and your payment history with all of your invoices available to download. If you want to cancel your subscription or change your subscription, you can go to the Manage Subscription section here. Then you have your account page, which shows you your account standing, whether it's verified or still needs to be verified via email, your account details, and any other account actions, like resetting your password or editing your profile. You also have the ability to delete your account and all of the information that has been stored so far with Res-Krush. Just remember, by deleting your account, you are not canceling your subscription. Then you have a help section. In the help section, you'll be able to see frequently asked questions by category and get contact information if you need any further assistance.